In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Docusign template. Docusign is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of sending and managing documents that require signatures. Creating a template is an essential skill for streamlining your workflow, especially if you frequently send out similar types of documents. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Docusign website. We'll need to access the Templates section, which is the foundation of our work here. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and look for the Templates option. It's typically located in the main menu, making it easy to find. Clicking on Templates takes you to a dedicated area where you manage and create templates. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Template button. This is where the magic happens. By initiating a new template, you're setting the stage to customize your document workflow. Give your template a descriptive name, something that clearly indicates its purpose. This will help you, and others, if you're working in a team, recognize it easily in the future. Now, you have the option to upload a document from your computer or start fresh by creating a new document. If you have an existing file, click on the drop-down menu and select Upload. Docusign supports various file types, including PDFs and Word documents, so you have plenty of flexibility. If you prefer to create a new document, go ahead and click Create New Document. With the document in place, it's time to add recipients. Look for the Add Recipients button and click it. This step is crucial as it determines who will receive the document for signing. You can add multiple recipients depending on your needs. Once added, it's time to define the roles for each recipient. Are they signing the document, receiving a copy, or acting in another capacity? Clearly defining roles ensures that the right actions are taken by the right people. After organizing your recipients, you can customize the email that they'll receive. Click on Add Message to tailor the email subject and body. This is your chance to provide clear instructions or important notes about the document they're signing. Clear communication here can prevent confusion later. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied, click on Save and Close. This saves your template and makes it available for use at any time. You've now successfully created a Docusign template. Congratulations! Creating templates in Docusign not only saves time, but also reduces errors, ensuring that your document workflow is as efficient as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to revisit any step as needed while you become more familiar with the process. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.